Good morning, guys. This is the first drive, the Toyota Hyryder. I still don't know how to set up this odometer and 40 kilometers from here. And let me turn it off at first. Where are the HP? This is the first drive from Shodhpur. We'll be filling up completely full tank. We'll be completely filling up full tank up to the brim, auto cut. It is 0 and the rate is 105.47. So the 41.28 at 4353, that is it, auto cut. And just to make it confirm, this car is E20 petrol compliant, but this fuel is E10 compliant. So let's see what is the mileage we get. The current odometer stands 40 kilometers as I showed you. So we'll start our drive from here and we are going to end at Visakhapatnam. Meanwhile, we'll be halting and I'll be updating you from here. So as per the indicator, is very in the beginning, 6.5 kmpl. It's full tank, range showing 423. Let's see how much do we get. A very good morning. The mileage has climbed up to 11.8 kmpl. This is just stupendous considering the fact that this is a brand new car. You can see it's only 130 kilometers done, and we are halting at our favorite place in Kolkata. That's outside Kolkata, actually, on the highway. This is the all famous Sher Punjab restaurant. There it is. Let's go. Let's just take a snap. Let's just take a snap and then park the car. आओ बाहर हम फोटो लेते हैं. हाँ. So this was the parking of Sher Punjab Kolaghat, and finally I got time to have a look at my car right outside on the road. So Bhubaneswar, Visakhapatnam, Chennai on one side, and Ranchi, Patna, Mumbai. I guess Nagpur also goes towards that side. That gets split into two halves. So you can see on top, on the left hand side is Kharagpur and straight is Balasore. So Kharagpur road goes to Bombay and Balasore road goes to Orissa. So on the left hand side, that is going towards Mumbai, and that is goes upar se, it goes from top. And the road we are going now, that goes to Visakhapatnam and from there to Chennai. And the Mumbai road, that road going from top, that is the same road over the flyover, that is going towards Mumbai. We are right now just about to cross 400 kilometers on the car after fueling. As you can see on the right hand side, it's not even half tank, it's about to be half tank. So we have 6 bars of fuel left, and we are right now crossing a bridge of a river, and the mileage has been stupendous. You can see it is over 380 kilometers of range still left, and we have just crossed 400 kilometers. So almost we are going to cross over 700 kilometers. But as while we were going to Kolkata, we filled the petrol from Orissa. Even this time also we are going to do the same. At what calculation, I'll let you know in some time. The fuel economy is insane because we have almost 196 kilometers of range left still, and that's crazy. Like if I completed 600 kilometers, after that also it's close to 200 kilometers, and I will be filling up the petrol somewhere around 100 kilometers from now. Finally we are at 688 kilometers from the start of refueling in the early morning hours, and we have still 125 kilometers of range left. We are right now entering the HP petrol pump. This is the last petrol pump of HP when you are entering Andhra Pradesh from Odisha side. Because the petrol is cheaper out here and the rate is only 102.56. So we'll be filling from here and let's see and calculate the mileage what we got. So just to update, we have came 688 kilometers in 41.28 liters. So we're starting from 0. This will be happening once again in auto cut. Let's see how much do we finish. So this is in auto cut. As you can see, we have used only 31.13 liters of petrol and we are paying for that 3192.69. So let's calculate how much did we get the mileage on tank to tank basis. So we have driven 688 kilometers and for that we have used 31.13 liters of petrol. So the mileage is crazily 22.10. That is the tank to tank mileage, and let's calculate if we can beat this once we go to Hyderabad. So after reaching the hotel at around 12:30 at the night in Vizag, this is Madhura Inn from where we were starting our day 2 early in the morning from Visakhapatnam on the way to Hyderabad. Meanwhile, we got a stretch of a mild off-roading just to check how the car behaves when there is absolutely no roads or broken patches of roads. And you can see the car glides over it. Even in slow speeds in second gear, it's just so smooth and confidence inspiring that even if you don't have roads or bad patches like this, the car would definitely not scrape from underneath. Guys, this is day 2 of our traveling from Kolkata to Hyderabad via Vizag, and we are at Kailashgiri hilltop, and this is how it looks early in the morning on a Sunday morning. This is the famous Kailashgiri hilltop. What you are seeing from here is the all famous Rishikonda beach, which have a great view from the Kailashgiri hilltop, and it looks spectacular. After this, we left for our next venture. Around 1.5 hours we were there in Kailashgiri, and we started our way back to the service center from Kailashgiri. So guys, we are starting from Kailashgiri, as you can see, and we are right now on the way to the service center. So up next, I'll show you how is the... Okay, I'll wear the seat belt in some time. Don't comment on this why I didn't wear the seat belt. I'm just... Yeah, they also get the reminder. So let's go down and I'll take you to the service center. Where I'm going is Modi Toyota in Vizag, Gajuwara, Vizag, where this car will be having the first service. This is 962 kilometers. So approximately 985 kilometers we'll be going for the servicing. Let's go and go to the downhill. So finally we have reached Modi Toyota, the service center. Let's go and do the first service. This was the condition of my car after 983 kilometers of drive since the start, and you can see, yes, black color looks good, but thanks to all the coating done by Saini Toyota, this didn't accumulate so much of dust yet. This is the first service at Modi Toyota in Gajuwaka in Vizag. The current odometer stands 983 kilometers. I'll show you once it's loading. This is 983 kilometers and we have almost full tank of fuel left, or 2 bars have gone. So let's go and do the first service and I'll share you my experience.
Pulling out black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit from the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, 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 got the gun last one to die. Slow down, don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. You keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, quick clip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies into place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with me, so don't even try. Cause when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die.
I had an excellent service at Modi Toyota Vizag, and they were too good. It's just 1.5 hour maximum, and just see the gloss. Super quality work at Modi Toyota Gajuwaka Vizag. The car is looking absolutely beautiful. I think it looks better than the even service. I mean the delivery days look better than that as well. All thanks to Modi Toyota at Vizag गाजूवाका ब्रांच. एक पीस आपका.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అని చెప్తాం మరి అందరికి ఇచ్చే కదా థ్యాంక్ యూ బాబు పుట్టినరోజా
థ్యాంక్ యూ
అబ్బాయి పుట్టినరోజే అలా అవ్వచ్చు నిఖిల్ పెరిసింది నిఖిల్ అంటే
థ్యాంక్ యూ. This is 1:25 p.m. on the Sunday. We have just completed the first service and the car looks absolutely pristine. We are starting from Vizag and we'll be on our way to Hyderabad back in home. With lunch break and snacks break in the evening, we are expected to reach our home somewhere around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock at the night. Right now, as I told earlier, is 983 kilometers with a FLH fuel economy of 21.0, a range of 436 kilometers, and you have to cover somewhere close to 550 to 600 kilometers. I'll keep you on updating you, and let's go and start our journey. We had our lunch from here, and this is the highway towards our Hyderabad, and this place is called Dathudu Family. That's the name. Our car is standing quite inglorious. As you can see, it's looking small compared to the Thar rocks. The current odometer stands as 1484 kilometers, and I filled the petrol at 688 kilometers. So it's almost 796 kilometers that you can take as roughly 800 kilometers, and I'll show you the calculation what is the real time mileage. So for reaching Hyderabad we will hardly need 5 to 6 liters of petrol. I'm just keeping a bit more for a reserve. Let me reach Hyderabad, I'll give you the final figures, but as of now it is 25.57 kmpl. I'll explain you how it happened. So guys, it's 1484 minus 688, it's 796 divided by, it was 31.13. that is how I got 25.57 kmpl mileage. Let me reach Hyderabad and I'll give you the complete figure once I reach there. The time is 2:50 AM in the night and we have completed 1628 kilometers, and the total fuel used for this, I think there's few amount of fuel left. As per the average fuel economy is 22.4. 6 liters of petrol in the last one, and before this we have filled 31.13. So you can, I'll just do a divide of 1628 kilometers. So the total fuel used was 78.41 and the mileage comes out at 20.76, which I think for 1628 kilometers is a crazy one. And I'm super tired and super exhausted, but just to let you know, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for watching the videos right from the delivery. In case you have not watched the video, please, it's there in the playlist in YouTube. You can watch it on Instagram in Reels. The description of my Instagram box is given. You can watch the same on YouTube Shorts. Later on, I'll be uploading a video on my delivery experience and how did I book the delivery and how everything went so smooth. And also about my drive experience of this 1628 kilometers of drive right from the delivery to my place in Hyderabad. I once again thank you everybody for watching this video. A lot of Toyota Hyryder contents will be coming up after this. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram for such amazing content. Bye. Good night. Take care.